Welcome to the Ignite Maker Lab at the Noblesville Library. My name is McKenna, and today I'll be introducing you to our 3D scanner. I have my project set up already, but I'll give a quick run through of what comes in the case and everything that goes with the scanner. My plan today is to scan this spool of thread, turn it into a 3D model so that I can manipulate it and maybe make it into a container of some sorts, and 3D print that so we'll have a little storage at our sewing station. We'll see how it goes.
We have a RevoPoint Pop 3 Plus handheld scanner available for checkout and use within the Maker Lab. 3D scanning is a great way to take real-life objects and transform them into 3D models. It's also a powerful tool for both digital and physical 3D artists. The scanner uses the program RevoScan 5. We will have this software on Ignite Maker Lab laptops, which will be available for patron use along with the scanner. I had the scanner set up already for my project, but I'll show you what comes in the case and my setup process. The scanner is kept in this gray case. On the left, we have the scanner itself, the tripod, the turntable, and the sample bust included for practice scanning. Here I'm attaching the scanner to the tripod. On the other side, there is a phone attachment along with various cables. Below the cables, we have a marker topper for the turntable, reflective stick-on markers, a marker mat, and the calibration board, which is housed in a velvet pouch. These marker accessories improve the scanning of featureless objects like blank forms. With markers, the scanner can better track the orientation of an object. When returning the scanner after use, please make sure all accessories are put back in the case correctly. Today I decided to scan a spool of thread. I plan to make a spool-shaped container for storage at our sewing station. Here I've connected the scanner to the PC and opened up RevoScan 5. I've also connected the turntable to power. Now I'm adjusting the height of the tripod. I've opened up RevoScan 5. Once loaded, you will land on the home page. This will show you the scanner connection status and allow you to open or create a project. The scanner can connect to laptops via USB or Wi-Fi. USB is the stronger and recommended connection. When connecting via Wi-Fi, the scanner will appear as Pop 3 Plus Revo, followed by its code, A25100925, in your PC's Wi-Fi settings. The scanner will still need to be connected to power via USB-C. I've already opened up a new project for my spool scan, and you can see the scanner view in the program. You'll need to play around with positioning, exposure, and scanning distance to get the best result. Because I'm using a smaller object, I've increased the zoom length on the scanner. I've also shortened the scanning distance. You'll want the meter on the right side to read between good and excellent for the best scanning results. Once satisfied with your setup, you can start scanning. You can either scan handheld or stationary with the turntable, like I'm doing now. Handheld scanning is usually best for larger objects. The ideal object size range for the scanner is between the size of a ping pong ball and a football. The scanner will begin scanning. Captured sections will appear green as they are scanned. Try not to overlap sections when scanning. I'm keeping track of the side that I started scanning on, so that I can stop the scan once it comes back around. When using the turntable, change the orientation of your object to allow the scanner to capture every angle. I'm okay with this scan, so I clicked Complete to take it into the editing stage. Next, I'll very quickly show you my editing process. I highly recommend watching an in-depth tutorial on editing scans with RevoScan 5. There are many different methods that will improve your final scan that I won't be able to cover in this video. The one-click edit option works pretty well, especially when just starting out. Every editing function will take some time to complete. Here I'm quickly running through the different editing tools to show you how you can improve your scan. Each editing tool has helpful instructions listed on the right side panel in the program. So this is my scan after taking it through the editing process. I like it, so I'm going to export it. Because I want to create a 3D model from this scan, I'm making sure to export the mesh model. I could export it as an STL, but since I want to directly print it through Bamboo Studio, to make it easier, I'm going to export it as a .3mf file. Once loaded into Bamboo Studio, I can then slice it and print it.
Thank you for watching this introduction to 3D scanning at the Ignite Maker Lab. This video was meant to introduce you to our scanner, the software that runs with it, and to showcase the ability to take a 3D scan, make it into a model, and then 3D print it yourself. We hope to see you soon. Good luck scanning.